What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be learning about some of the plugin folders that we can find in our Windows system. Not going to be covering it DAW in specific, but I am going to be using Pro Tools since it's the only DAW I have here right now. We're running a Windows 7 system, so it can be different. Also, we're running Pro Tools 11, so that's also different. So in general, we just want to check our C drive, since that's where we have everything. You're going to notice these two folders, Program Files and Program Files 86. That just differs between 64 and 32-bit. Depends on what operating system you're running. We're going to be looking at 64-bit program files. Then we're going to be going into common files, Avid, audio, then plugins, and that's the plugins folder for Pro Tools, basically 11. So as you can see, everything is .ax format. But yeah, it would be different if we were looking at actually an older version of Pro Tools. But in general, same thing. If we go back to program files 86, which is the 32-bit, if we installed it in 32-bit format, which I'm pretty sure I did, we go to the same place, common files, Avid, then audio, then plugins, and same thing, AEX plugins. So another thing is if we do have the older versions of Pro Tools like 8, 9, we're going to go to DigiDesign instead of Avid. And from DigiDesign DAE, then plugins and DPM, all the real-time audio suite plugins that we have here, TDM. But yeah, other than that, for VSTs, because if I actually had another DAW besides Pro Tools, you want to check there. It's just VST plugins in any of the program files folders. As you see, I have Melodyne here. It's just gonna be marked in the VST plugins folder right there. In common files, VST3, any third-party VSTs as well. But yeah, that's basically all your VST plugins there. And same thing in program files x86 as well. And you're also going to be seeing some plugins in specific manufacturer folders that are inside program files. Any of the program file folders, you'll be seeing them in there as well. You see tune tracks there. But yeah, basically everything is just kind of bundled up into those two folders, program files and program files 86. It kind of does depend if you do plan on running your DAW in 32-bit or 64-bit. Obviously, you don't really have that issue on a Mac. On Windows, you do have to decide that, and you do have to figure out, hey, is my system, running a 64-bit or 32-bit operating system? So take in mind when you install any plugins like that, or where you're going to get a plugin, what format it's in, and then check here